This man ditched his job at Morgan Stanley to work at a candy store.
So why would a successful investment banker trade in his real pennies for chocolate ones? Let's ask him.
Mitchell Cohen is the third-generation owner of Economy Candy, but he wasn't always in the business of selling sweets.
I went to Wharton undergrad and finance and accounting, loved it. Went to Morgan Stanley, was there for 7 years, and it was great. You know, I love the people there. I worked in their investment banking division, and I was promoted to vice president. A couple weeks later, when the ink was dry on the card, I went into my boss's office early one morning. He was surprised to see me that early, and you know, he knew why.
Turns out, his wife wasn't exactly happy with the 100+ hours Mitch worked every week.
She's got a whole album of pictures on me on my iPhone, whether we're at brunch on the weekends or on vacation. So,
those 7 years in finance weren't wasted, though.
You know, really use that banker mindset to improve, you know, both on margins and improve the top line. You know, little things that, you know, I wouldn't have necessarily thought of if I didn't experience that first and go to school for that.
And not only is he happier for the switch, business has improved.
Since I joined, revenue's been up about 20%.
Mitch took over the store from his parents in 2013, and his parents inherited it from Mitch's grandfather more than 30 years before.
How much would it cost to buy all the candy in the store?
Ooh, all the candy. Well, you better bring suitcases full of hundreds, because it's got to be at least $100,000.
I think we could swing it.
Economy Candy sells thousands of pounds of candy in a single day, and that's partially due to their expansion to a digital marketplace.
So the brick and mortar is really the bread and butter here. It's 80% of our business, but every year that goes down a little because when more people find us online, like I said, we have the best prices of all 2,000 things we carry.
Being able to sell in bulk and reach out-of-state customers online allows Mitch to focus on the store.
We're going to keep our prices as low as possible because people know to come to us. So that benefits the person who just buys one because we're able to really just sell by the box, sell by the case.
But despite the store's success, Mitch doesn't have any plans to expand. Sticking to one brick-and-mortar location and their online marketplace works.
$3.99 for a whole pound. We don't sell things by the quarter pound for $4. We sell a pound of candy for $4. In and out, you're gonna get your fix. It's gonna last you a long, long time.
Is a pound enough?
Never enough.
See, I think the same.
That penny candy counter is the cornerstone of the store. By keeping prices low, they keep customers coming back.
You know, we have relationships. Like I said, people come in, they remember my grandfather, they remember my parents, and that's what keeps us going, is that loyalty.